Have you guys heard the concept of a dog whistle? It's been making the rounds on the forums, particularly in left groups. If you don't know what a dog whistle is, it is when somebody says something, but they actually mean something else by it. Isn't this convenient? You can make arguments not based on what somebody says or what they do, but based on the intent you want to assign to them. This is a garbage concept and should be abandoned completely. We cannot have discourse if people assume intent of other people and do not judge them on their words and actions directly. Thanks.